Hi, everyone. Would you like to strengthen your core muscles, your abdominals, and improve your posture while you're sitting at the computer or watching television or chopping veggies or doing whatever? It's totally possible and it's easy. Just with your breath, you can not only achieve core strength, but you can also increase your breathing capacity and enhance your nervous system, and then feel like you're standing and sitting taller for longer because core breath is core strength. I'm going to take you through an exercise you can do along with me, or if you want to close your eyes and practice with your eyes closed, I'll take you through step by step. Okay, first, let's sit tall, crown of the head to the ceiling, shoulders are relaxed, shoulder blades down the back. These, there's an open space between the sternum and the belly, lower belly. And just bring the chin back just a little bit so the ears are in alignment with the shoulders, and this opens the airway. So there's a nice feeling of being relaxed and already feeling uplifted. Nice in through the nose and out through the nose, soft and light. Inhale, exhale. Just a couple of nice warm up breaths. And then on your next exhalation, draw the rib cage in, draw the belly in towards the spine, nice and tight, and then relax and allow the rib cage to expand out, front and back, and allow the belly to relax. And exhaling, bringing the rib cage in, bringing the tummy in nice and tight. You're sitting tall. Easy transition to inhale and to exhale. We're also strengthening and stretching the diaphragm, which is attached to the rib cage and the spine, which is very important for that flexibility as we're breathing in and out. We want to have that ability for the diaphragm to have that freedom of movement so that as we get older, we keep our diaphragm in more shape so it's more efficient for our breathing. And the diaphragm also is a stabilizer of our posture. We're also strengthening and stretching the intercostal muscles, which are those teeny weeny little muscles in between the rib. Keep the breath slow and light for better oxygenation. Keep moving out and in. Breathing slowly enlivens your vagus nerve, which is connected to the parasympathetic nervous system, which allows you to feel more relaxed and centered and grounded. So nice breath in, expanding out, relaxing the belly, exhaling, bringing the rib cage in and the abdominals into the center, feeling that nice strength, feeling tall, relaxing the shoulders, nicely relaxed, keeping the chest silent so it's not breathing up and down. Really, we're only moving the rib cage and the tummy. Nice breaths in, bringing it nice in and feeling that core strengthen. Oh, wonderful. And then naturally segueing out into expanding the rib cage. It's light, slow, and deep. Remember, you can do this anytime you're standing in the checkout line waiting to check out your groceries. Why not? No one's going to know. Nice breath in. And it'll calm you down. If the lineup's really long, you've got something to do. Nice and easy. Couple more. If your eyes are closed, that's great. Almost feels like you want to close your eyes. Just be easy. All these exercises are meant to be done with an easy attitude. And if you do them on a regular basis, know that they build upon each other. So you grow in that strength and flexibility and ease. You'll feel tall, you'll feel stronger, you'll feel like you've got more control, and the desire to slump won't be as appealing because you've got the core strength, your abdominals, your back, your transverse abdominal, which is it's like a corset. Do it often. I wholly suggest, I heartily suggest you do it on a regular basis, just so easy. And you get so many benefits. Even frequent, brief exercises make a difference, make a noticeable difference. Well, I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Let me know what you think and see you next week.